10 settings you want to enable or disable in your developer options on every Android powered smart devices. OEM Unlocking unlocks bootloader and allows you to flash new factory firmware or custom ROM. Please double check with the device OEM if it voids warranty. Pixel, OnePlus, Xiaomi doesn't void warranty. On Samsung, skip this step to avoid warranty being void. Automatic system updates applies new patches automatically in the background upon restarting the device. I would recommend disabling it to reduce the chance of breaking the device. USB debugging enables the use of ADB to modify system settings or use the device to test apps when using Android Studio to develop Android apps. Wi-Fi MAC randomization forces the Wi-Fi MAC address to be random while connecting to access points. Mobile data always active. Disabling it will improve battery life since LTE or 5G will not be activated automatically when Wi-Fi connection is poor. Disable absolute volume enables independent volume control on per device basis instead of using master volume. Helps in reducing high unacceptable volume on certain BT devices. Window animation scale. Set the scaling to 0.5 from 1.0x to speed up animations. Just a cosmetic change. Similarly for transition and animator animation scale, setting it to 0.5x from 1.0 will speed up animations, and it's just a cosmetics change. Predictive back animations give you a preview of exact app screen which will be displayed when you use the back gesture.